I hope everybody is doing fine. So we'll start off with today's class with the revision of quadratic equations word problems related to age. Clear? Can everybody see the first question? Ashu's age is X years old while his mother's age is how much? X square, right? 5 years hence, Mrs. Veena's age will be 3 times as old as Ashu's. Find their present age. What do we see out here? This question you'll have exactly 2 minutes to frame the equation and try it out. Let's see how many can do it. It's a very simple numerical. Hurry up, try and do it. I'll pause the video for the time being. Very good. First tell me the quadratic equation x square. 5 years hence the age, Anshu's age will become x plus 5, Mrs. Veena mom's age will become x square plus 5. So the equation will become ultimately x square minus 3x minus 10. Is it clear? How many have got this equation? If you have got this equation, you should be very well be able to complete it, getting x is equals to 5 and x is equals to minus 2. Minus 2 it's not possible. Does this makes any sense? No. Yes or no? Does it make any sense? X is equals to minus 2. Yes. So we'll say that daughter's age is x and is 5 years, and Mrs. Veena's age will be x square, which is 25. Clear? Any doubts in this numerical? It's a very simple one. Any doubts? Question number 2 is right here. People who are not done with question number 1, kindly copy the answer and ask me if you have any doubts. And if you have no doubts, question number 2 is waiting for you all to be latched onto it. Hurry up. I'm pausing the video. You'll have exactly again 2 minutes to solve question number 2, and people who are coming late, they are expected to come on class in time. Anyone in the class who has framed the equation for this numerical? It's a very simple numerical. Yes, Bodhishoto is saying something.
Sir, x is equals to 9.
X is equals to 9. First I need the quadratic equation. First tell me the quadratic equation. Sum of the age of man and son is 45. So let the man's age be x, son's age will become 45 minus x, right? 5 years ago, that means subtract 5. It's a very simple numerical. 40 minus x, and their product will be what is their age. So this will be the answer. This will be the solution according to the question. Yes or no? Product will be 4 times the age of his father. So very good. This will go off. You will be left with only 40 minus x is equals to 4. So x is equals to 36. Father's age is how much? Father's age is 36 years and son's age will be 45 minus 36. Yes or no? Which is 9 years. Any doubts in this numerical? Anyone? Bodhishoto, very good, you have answered first. Anyone in the class having any doubts? Why are so many people coming so late in the class? Anyone, any doubts in these numericals? Yes? Yes or no? Kindly confirm. Sheel, Devashish, Pratoy, Anandajit, Trideep, Joy Rishi, Lahiri. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Can you move on? Question number 3. Product of Shrika's age 5 years ago and at age 8 years later. These sort of questions are come for 2 marks. Very good questions, but very simple, very easy. Short to solve, but conceptually you have to be very correct. Let's try it out. You'll have exactly 2 minutes to solve it. I did not record only, but so again I'll have to repeat myself. 5 years ago x minus 5, 8 years later x plus 8. Product of their age, multiply is equals to 30 according to the question. And therefore when you solve this thing, you'll be getting x square plus 3x plus 70. As one of the student has already said, I need the value for x. I need both the values for x. Yes? Minus 1 to you'll ignore. Minus 10 and 7. So we'll comfortably ignore minus 10 because age cannot be negative. Right? Shrika's age, present age, we will tell it's 7 years. Is everybody clear with this numerical? Please confirm yes or no. Confirm yes or no. If you're not done, you let me know, I'll wait. But if you don't tell me anything, I'm not God, na, that I'll know what's going inside your heart without even seeing you. Question number 4. Again, your Ramu Kaka's favorite age has come. This is Ramu Kaka's age, so you have to calculate Ramu Kaka's age very nicely. Right? Again, it's a very similar kind of numerical as Shikha numerical. This is also a simple numerical. I want Sheel to answer this numerical's answer. First, I want you to answer the equation that will be formed and then the solution. Clear? Sheel will answer me. Anyone who's got the answer for this? Mr. Sheel has run away. So Lahiri will answer. Shamojit Lahiri, you'll answer this question. First tell me the equation that you've got. Ramu's present age obviously will be considered as x.
The equation will be x plus 9.
Sorry, please speak a bit loudly. X square
Plus 4x minus 60 equals to 0.
x square plus 4x minus 60 equals to 0. Is everybody getting this equation? Very good. This is the correct one. Now tell me the values for x.
Sir, minus 10 and 6.
Minus 10 and 6. Okay? So Ramu's present age will be obviously 6. Clear? Is everybody clear with this? Yes or no? Confirm. If you are clear with this,
Yes, sir.
okay. We'll move on to a different kind of question. Can you see the 7th question? Try it out. I'll pause the video. Now we'll start discussing the answer for this. Anyone in the class who's got the answer for this? Aeroplane.
But the answer will be behind it.
Again, out here T1 minus T2 is equals to T's concept will be taken forward. Distance is equals to 1200. Speed will be considering it as x. If it's increased by x 100 kilometers, x plus 100. So time 1 will be 1200 divided by x, time 2 will be 1200 divided by x plus 100. This thing is equals to 1 because the decreased time is 1 hour. Yes? Can anybody tell me the equation that you are getting? Anyone in the class would tell me the equation?
Sir, x square plus 100x minus 1 lakh 20,000.
Very good. X square plus 100x minus 1,20,000. Now, of course, when you break this down, you'll be getting 400 and 300. Clear? So, answer will be comfortably minus 400 or 300, and a minus, of course, you're smart enough to ignore minus because speeds cannot be negative, right? X x का value is 300. Is this numerical clear to everyone? Please confirm yes or no. Is it clear? Yes or no? Please confirm. Can we move on to a different numerical? This numerical will be getting exactly 3 minutes. Question number 8. I'll pause the video for you all to try it out. A train travels at an average speed of 63 kilometers for a distance of 63 kilometers at and then travels 72 kilometers at an average speed of 6 kmph more than the original speed. So of course over here you have to assume original speed be x. Clear? So 63, now see out here, takes 3 hours to complete total journey, right? So distance is equals to speed into time, right? So 63 into x. This is 63 by x, okay, don't worry. This is 7 by x divided by 8 by, I think one thing is missing out here. It's equals to 3 by 9, that's okay. Average speed is x, okay. Now there's something missing out there in the question. Something has been misprinted, so we'll ignore this question for the time being. Okay, I'll figure out what thing has been missing in the question. 63 by x plus 6. I don't think much of the thing is missing. Basically it's 63 by x only, okay, nothing else. Okay, its average speed is 6 hours more than, so this will be 63 by x, 72 by x plus 6. This is equal to how much? Yes or no? When you solve this, you'll be getting the equation as how much? X square minus 39x plus minus 126. And when you factorize this thing, x's value will be 42 and minus 3. Minus 3 will be ignored, 42 will be taken as the average speed of the train. Did everybody understand this question properly? Take your time and copy this down properly. Same logic as the previous one is that out here you have to add up the time. Is this numerical clear to everyone? Yes or no? Kindly confirm. Yes or no? Question number 9. Confirm everyone.
Yes, sir.
Question number 9 will be your homework. Kindly take a screenshot. Take it. And push. This will be homework as well as one more numerical. I'll give it to you. Question number 5. Take a screenshot of this thing. Now I'll wind up. If anybody has any doubt,